Have you ever looked back and thought, if only I had known this sooner, I'd be so much further ahead? That's exactly how I feel about money. I've made mistakes, missed opportunities, and learned the hard way. And if you're watching this, chances are you felt the same way too. Maybe you're stuck living paycheck to paycheck, or you're earning well, but still feel broke. Maybe you're working hard, but not seeing the wealth you expected. That's why I made this video, because I wish someone had told me these 16 crucial money lessons years ago. They would have saved me time, stress, and thousands of dollars. So, if you're serious about building wealth and breaking free financially, this is for you. Let's dive in. Lesson 1. Money is a tool, not a goal. Money is a tool, simple as that. It's like a hammer or a wrench. You can build amazing things with it, or you can do damage if you don't know how to use it. The moment I stopped seeing money as the end goal and started treating it as a tool, everything shifted. My decisions became more strategic. My emotions became less reactive. Money stopped being this abstract source of anxiety and became a means to an end. Whether that end is freedom, peace of mind, or legacy, it all starts with the mindset that money is your servant, not your master. Lesson 2. Saving won't make you rich. Investing will. Growing up, we're told to save. Put money in a bank. Save for a rainy day. But here's the truth. Saving alone will never build wealth. In fact, it's a recipe for slow financial decay when you factor in inflation. What truly creates wealth is investing. And not just investing in stocks or real estate, but in yourself, in your education, in skills that multiply your value. The earlier you start, the greater the compounding effect. Time is the biggest ally of wealth. Make your money work for you, not just sit in a savings account earning crumbs. Lesson 3. Your income is not your wealth. We live in a society obsessed with income. Job titles, salaries, bonuses. People brag about what they earn, but none of that matters if you're not building wealth. I've met people making $200,000 a year who are broke because their lifestyle eats every dollar. And I've met others earning modest incomes but investing smartly and living freely. Income is a flow, and wealth is a reservoir. Focus on what you keep and grow. The goal isn't just to earn more, it's to build something that lasts. Lesson 4. Debt can be deadly or powerful. Debt is like fire. It can cook your meals or burn your house down. Consumer debt, especially credit card debt, is one of the biggest destroyers of wealth. It's like walking uphill while someone throws rocks at you. But not all debt is bad. Leveraged debt used to acquire cash-flowing assets can actually accelerate wealth. The key is knowing the difference between bad debt that drains you and good debt that pays you. Lesson 5. Live below your means, but not below your potential. Cutting back on lattes isn't the secret to wealth, but discipline is. Living below your means isn't about deprivation. It's about empowerment. It gives you margin, breathing room, and options. But never confuse frugality with limitation. While you're being smart with money, also invest in your potential. Take courses, hire mentors, travel for growth, and build a skill set that makes you unignorable. That's how you expand your financial ceiling. Lesson 6. Your mindset around money matters more than you think. Your beliefs shape your reality, and money is no exception. If you believe rich people are evil or that money corrupts, you'll subconsciously push wealth away. I had to unlearn years of limiting beliefs passed down from family and society. I began reading, journaling, and surrounding myself with people who thought differently. Wealth begins in the mind before it shows up in your bank account. You have to believe you're worthy of it and capable of managing it. Lesson 7. Time is your most valuable asset. Every dollar lost can be replaced, but time can't. Yet most people treat their time like it's endless and their money like it's scarce. Reverse that. Value your time above all. Automate your finances and outsource tasks that don't serve your goals. Then delegate and earn to say no. The goal of money is not just to accumulate, but to free your time so you can spend it where it matters most, with your family, your purpose, your passions. Lesson 8. Multiple streams of income aren't optional, they're essential. Having one source of income is like standing on one leg in a storm. It's unstable, risky, and exhausting. The wealthy know that multiple income streams create stability, growth, and resilience. Side hustles, dividends, real estate, royalties, digital assets, each one adds another layer of security. In today's world, income diversification is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. Lesson 9. No one will care about your money more than you. Financial literacy is your responsibility. Period. Your bank doesn't care. Your employer doesn't care. Even a financial advisor, no matter how well-intentioned, doesn't have the same stake in your success as you do. Learn the basics, read books, and watch videos like this. Track your net worth, know your numbers, because nobody is coming to save you, you have to save yourself. Lesson 10. Money loves clarity. If you want to attract and grow money, you have to get clear. That means setting financial goals, knowing your expenses, and understanding your cash flow. Too many people treat money like a mystery and wonder why it disappears. Clarity leads to confidence, and confidence leads to action. So get organized, build systems, and take control. Lesson 11. You can't out-earn poor money habits. It doesn't matter how much you earn. If your spending is out of control, you'll never build wealth. I've seen people get promotions and immediately upgrade their lifestyle, leaving them in the same financial hole. That's lifestyle inflation, and it's deadly. Build strong money habits now before the income increases. Budget, save, invest consistently, and your future self will thank you. Lesson 12. Emergencies happen. Be ready. Financial peace isn't about having everything go right. It's about being prepared when things go wrong. Because life happens. Jobs are lost. Cars break down, and illness could strike. An emergency fund is your financial cushion, your peace of mind. Without it, you're always one crisis away from chaos. With it, you can navigate life with confidence. Lesson 13. Don't just work for money. Make money work for you. Trading time for money can only take you so far. There's a ceiling, but when you build assets, investments, businesses, systems that generate income without your constant effort, you break that ceiling. Passive income is the key to freedom. It doesn't happen overnight, but it starts with a shift in mindset. Don't just hustle harder, hustle smarter. Lesson 14. The people around you impact your wealth. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If your circle normalizes debt, scarcity, and financial drama, you'll adopt those patterns. But if your circle talks about investments, strategy, and growth, you'll elevate. Surround yourself with people who challenge you, inspire you, and hold you accountable. Your environment shapes your destiny. Lesson 15. Start before you're ready. Waiting for the perfect moment is a trap. The truth is, you'll never feel 100% ready. There will always be fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But action creates momentum. Whether it's investing $50 in an index fund, starting a side hustle, or reading your first finance book, start. Learn as you go. Growth is messy, but that's how mastery is built. Lesson 16. Your future wealth depends on today's decisions. Every choice you make today, what you spend, what you invest, what you ignore, compounds over time. Your future isn't built in a single moment, but in daily decisions. Wealth is less about luck and more about discipline, vision, and consistency. The seeds you plant today will determine the harvest you enjoy tomorrow. Looking back, I wish someone had grabbed me by the shoulders and said, "Hey, these lessons will change your life if you take them seriously." I learned most of them the hard way, through stress, mistakes, and years of trial and error. But you don't have to. That's why I made this video, to pass on what I've learned so you can avoid the traps and accelerate your journey. Wealth isn't reserved for the lucky or the genius. It's built by everyday people who make smart, consistent choices over time. And it starts with awareness, with a decision to take control of your financial life instead of being controlled by it. If this video brought you value, do me a favor, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's break the cycle of financial struggle together. You weren't born to survive, you were born to thrive. Let's get to work. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos about building wealth, mastering money, and living rich in every sense of the word. See you in the next one.